guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, well, first off, if you're new here, my name's Brooke. I post beauty and lifestyle videos every week, so remember to subscribe before you head out so you don't miss out on any of those. But today I wanted to do a natural glam shimmery look for you guys. I've been really digging the more natural, glowy, shimmery shadow, shimmery face, glossy lip look lately. I really hope that you guys like this look, and without further ado, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. I'm going to be going in with my Becca Backlight priming filter. I absolutely love this. It has like a purple sheen to it, so it really brings the face to life. And I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless. This is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. I'm just going to mix this up with a bit of liquid highlighter just to give an extra glow. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M439. I'm just going to spray my brush with a bit of my MAC charged water. Now I'm going to be going in with my Morphe Corrector wheel, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of this orange to cancel out the darkness under my eyes. I'm not going in directly with the orange shade because it is too dark for my skin tone and I don't have that dark of under eye circles, so I like to mix the two together because it just gets me like the perfect shade. I'm just going to pat that on under my eye here just to cancel out any darkness. I'm going to bring that onto the lid as well. Also, let me know, I'm going to leave a little poll up at the top right hand corner. Which one is that? I don't remember. If you guys prefer seeing tutorials where I do everything, foundation and eyes and everything, or if you prefer, and I already have my foundation done and I go in and do more of a quick beat is what I call it when I do just my eyes. Those videos tend to be quicker. I don't know if you guys like longer videos or quicker videos, so let me know because I want to film what you guys want to watch, you know? If you have any video ideas or anything that you want to see me film, whether it be beauty related, lifestyle beauty related, lifestyle related, talk through videos, challenge videos, anything. Now I'm going to be going in with concealer, and I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer because this stuff is A1 steak sauce, okay? Let me tell you, it is amazing. I really want to try the foundation that they just came out with to match this. I'm going to be blending that in with my Morphe E8 brush. This is going to be my first time using this brush, so let's see how we like it. I'm just going to push this into the skin here. As you can see, this concealer is very creamy, very blendable, and very pigmented. I'm just bringing that onto my eyelids as primer. Now I'm going to go in with my cream bronzer and just put this on the perimeters of my face. I'm going to use my Sigma F84 Kabuki brush to apply this. I'm just going to pat it into the bronzer and then push it into my skin. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and set my whole face with my RCMA No Color Powder. I am just going to use a brush to put this on my skin because what else would I use? Okay, I have to super glue my favorite under eye brush back together because it's seen better days. I absolutely love this brush. This is the Morphe R2. I'm just going to use this to set the rest of my face. This brush, I'm probably going to purchase another one of these brushes because it's just so versatile for whatever you really want to use it for. It's so nice and it blends everything out so well and it's so soft. I'm going to take my E41 by Morphe and apply bronzer with this. Today I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Sun Bunny Bronzer. This is beautiful. It has a really nice sheeny, that's a new word. It has a nice sheen and glow to it, and it's just going to enhance everything. For blush today, I'm going to go in with the Nars Orgasm blush. This is an oldie but a goodie. I used to use this blush every single day when I first started wearing makeup. I was obsessed with it, and I actually haven't used it in a hot minute, so I'm super excited to use this today. I'm going to take it on an angled Morphe brush and just put this right on my cheekbone. Not my cheekbone, but right up here. This is such a complimentary universal blush. I believe this is Nars' best-selling blush. For highlight today, we're going to use Mary Lou because I am just feeling this highlight lately. I have been reaching for this more so than my Champagne Pop, which says something, let me tell you. However, I do want to try out more highlighters, so if you guys could leave some comments in the description. If you guys could leave some comments down below letting me know what highlighters you love, no matter if it's drugstore, high-end, or anywhere in between. I really just want to try some out. I'm going to fill in my brows using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. It's uncomfortably close to my face right now. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and do my eyes. I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe today. I have been digging the natural, shimmery, glam kind of vibe lately. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here as my first transition shade, and I'm just going to put that right above my crease area so that all the shadows blend nicely together. So I'm curious where all of you are from. I am from Pennsylvania, PA. Where are you guys from? I know I have viewers in the US, the UK, Brazil, and a couple other places. I'm gonna go in and mix these two shades right here and put those tighter in my crease to start to build a bit of that definition. Now I'm going to go in with a bit of this shade right here, and I'm going to put that slightly on the outer corner. I don't want to bring any of the shadows too far in or create too much of a smoky eye today. Just focusing this right here on the outer V. I'm really not going to bring this in too far. So now I'm just going to go back in with my blending brush and slightly blend that area just by tapping. I don't really want to move the product, I just want to diffuse any lines. And now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is directly next to the shade that I just used. I'm going to be putting this all over my lid, focusing it mostly everywhere but the outer corner, and I'm going to apply that using my finger because this is what picks up the most pigment. So now, once again, just going back in this crease area just to make sure that there aren't any lines or separation between the shadows. So now I'm going to go into this highlight shade right here. I'm going to be applying that with my Naked 3 brush by Urban Decay, and I'm just going to be spraying that with some charged water to make it extra foiled. So I'm just going to go in and pack this on, and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm just going to take this clean blending brush. This is by Morphe. It is an M518. It's actually like an amazing blending brush for so many different uses. I'm going to have to pick up another one of these. I'm going to go in and highlight my brow bone with that same shade. And then because naturally I have to be a little extra, I'm going to go in with this black shadow right here and smudge this onto my lash line. So now I'm going to go in and tightline and apply lashes. I'm going to do this off camera because every single time I do it on camera, I just end up going out of the frame and I don't even realize. So to spare the hassle in the editing process, I'm going to do this off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on and I tightlined, I'm going to go in and finish off the eyes. I'm going to be using a white liner today. This is in the shade Coconut. This is a Morphe liner, and I'm just going to line my lower waterline with this. This is just going to help to open up the eyes and add more of that natural glam, wide awake, happy to be here look. I do not suggest buying these pencils if you have watery eyes because sometimes my eyes get really watery, and I notice it's harder to get the pigment out of these pencils when your eyes are watering. Obviously, that's normal, but just a heads up if you have super watery eyes. I don't recommend buying these because I don't know how well they'll work for you. But now I'm going to go in and take that same shade that I used on the lid. I'm going to mix these two shades together, the one from the outer corner and the one from my lid, and buff that out on my lower lash line. So now that we have that lash line blown out, I'm going to go in and just put a slight coat of mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm going to go in with a Japanese lip gloss. I got this as a perk from my Ulta rewards, so I'm not sure exactly what formula it is or what color it is. It just says lip lacquer in the shade 01. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Also, remember to subscribe before you head out and click the bell button, so the bell notification, so you get notifications whenever I post. I will also have links to my other videos and my most recent videos down below, as well as links to my social media, so make sure to follow me and keep up with me on those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys! Oh my god, I forgot my hoops. Shit, girl. I just wanted to wear my earrings and I forgot. Think if I can find my brush. My brush. I'll try that other one. Where is that brush though? That wasn't English. I want to try that shit. Where'd it go though? Just. Where that brush at? Where that brush at? Is to be more Super Bowl's on. I don't want the Patriots or the Eagles to win, so I'm not watching. Okay? Yes! I'm just going to be taking so I'm gonna go in if I can find it. This is just gonna help to open up the eyes and more. Thank you guys so much. Oh wait. I'm definitely not gonna call it that. I use my Sigma F84 Hello?